Here are the key view controls in Arcadium. 1. Click and drag the screen to pan the view. If you have a keyboard, use the W, A, S, D keys to move around. The E and Q keys will move you vertically. 2. Rotate the screen with the right mouse button. If you don't have one, hold Control while you click and drag. The center of rotation is set by where you click. 3. Zooming the screen is done by scrolling. Use the mouse wheel if you have one, or a 2-finger swipe on a trackpad. 4. View from a top-down elevation using the top menu button. 5. For easier layout options, switch between orthographic and perspective views. 6. The floor plan button is a shortcut for showing a top-down view with cross-section and outline modes applied. 7. The first-person view lets you do a virtual walkthrough of the space. It works like a computer game. Use the WASD keys to move around, the mouse to move your head, and there's even a hidden mini game if you press F. That's it. Enjoy building!